see those tears running down your face, eyes red from crying, heart all out of place. You say he left you shattered, pieces on the floor. But darling, listen close, I've seen this kind before. I'm no stranger to the damage love can do. I've stitched up worse than this, pulled folks right through. So dry those pretty eyes, let me take a look. I'm a doctor by trade and I wrote the book. I know how to repair a broken heart. Steady hands, gentle start. I'll apply the bandage, nice and tight. Keep the hurt from bleeding through the night. No fancy surgery, no cold steel knife, just time and tenderness to bring you back to life. Trust this doctor's orders, let me make it right. I'll mend what's torn apart, hold you through the fight. Yeah, I know how to fix a broken heart. Chart. First we clean the wound, let the old pain go. Talk it out slow, let the memories show. I'll wrap it with care, soft cotton and truth. No rush on the healing, we got nothing but youth. I've seen hearts like yours, cracked but still beating strong. They just need someone to prove they still belong. I'll check your pulse every night, make sure it's steady. Whisper sweet nothings till the ache feels ready. Step one, rest easy, no heavy lifting yet. Let the quiet nights do what the tears can't forget. Step two, small doses of sunlight on your skin. Walk with me slow, let the good days begin. 3 of 3, laughter therapy. Start with a smile, we'll chase away shadows mile after mile. Step 4, forgiveness, not for him but for you. Release the old weight so your heart can renew. Step 5, open up when the scar starts to itch. I'll be right here listening, steady as a switch. And the final prescription, love every single day, till the beat comes back stronger in every way. I know how to repair a broken heart. Steady hands, gentle start. I'll apply the bandage, nice and tight. Keep the hurt from bleeding through the night. No fancy surgery, no cold steel knife, just time and tenderness to bring you back to life. Trust this doctor's orders, let me make it right. I'll mend what's torn apart, hold you through the fight. Yeah, I know how to fix a broken heart. And I'm signing up for your chart. No copay required, no insurance card. Just let me in close, let down your guard. I'll prescribe long walks, slow dances in the dark, kisses for medicine. Your name is my spark. If the scars start showing, we'll wear it proud. Proof we made it through the storm and cloud. I know how to repair a broken heart. I've been waiting for your forever.